Hi everyone, my name is Nikita, and today I'll be introducing Mishel. And she's been super great to work with. We spent a lot of time using MIT App Inventor to develop Astro Quiz, which I will let her talk about. And she's currently entering middle school. And fun fact, we actually attended the same middle school, and she's been super fun to work with. She's super curious, outgoing, and just really fun to talk with and get to know. And I'll let her talk a bit more about our project.
Hi, my name is Michelle, and more about my mentor. She's a cybersecurity intern at Equifax. She's a Georgia Tech computer science student, and she is studying networks and human-computer interactions. Um, she's from Boca Raton, Florida, like me, and she enjoys watching reality television, cooking, and going to the movies. Sorry. Fun fact: we went to the same middle school. Yeah. Next slide, please. So my project is called Astro Quiz. It's an astronomy trivia-based app. I created the app because I was interested in astronomy and AI, and I also wanted an introduction to coding. The things that we did there are user interface design, blocks coding for loops and if-else statements. So we finished choosing questions for trivia. We got introduced with the app inventor. We started working on the app, and overall, we finished it. But if we had more time to work on it, I think we would like create an ending slide, like "Good job, you got this out of this questions correct." So yeah, next slide, please. Um, my magical experience. This project was really fun to do, and it gave me a good introduction to coding. Um, the things that I learned there was how to block code, the responsibility of getting on meetings on time, and how to create apps. And I think it was challenging to do the coding, but Nikita helped me a lot, and I handled it pretty well. Next slide, please. So this is our app. So this is like the first thing that you're gonna see. I tried to put in the video, but it didn't work. So it's just screenshots. Anyway, this is like the first page. Oh, anyway. Question number one. Oh, sorry. Can you go to the next slide, please? Okay. Question number one. What is the name of our galaxy? And they're gonna have answer choices. And depending which answer you click, for example, A, the spilled milk galaxy, that's gonna be wrong. The Orion galaxy, that's gonna be wrong too. But if you click the Milky Way galaxy, it's gonna show you very good. But if you click any of the or A or B, it's gonna give you the wrong answer button. Next slide, please. Then question number two, what is the largest planet in our solar system? The sun, the sun, B, Saturn, C, Jupiter. If you click the Jupiter button, it's gonna show you a very good because that's the correct answer. But if you click the sun or Saturn, it's gonna show you the wrong button. Next slide, please. And then question number three, which planet has the most rings? Um, A, Jupiter, B, Saturn, C, Neptune. And if you click A or C, it's going to show you the wrong answer. But if you click B, Saturn, that's going to give you the very good. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Any questions?
Yes. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Michelle. Thank you so much for your amazing presentation. As you just said, if there are any questions from the audience, you can feel free to take yourself off mute and ask that. We have time for one or two questions, or you can throw your question in the chat and I can read it out loud. Are there any questions for Michelle?
I have a question.
Well,
Hi, this is Ira. I have a question for Michelle. Michelle, as you worked on this project, what was the most challenging part and what was the most enjoying part of your project?
Um, I think the most like enjoying part was like working with Nikita obviously and like socializing with her and like just doing the coding and everything. But I think the challenging part for me was like to get to meetings on time because you know like how school started and like I have homework and everything and it's just like really hard to like put my time like wisely and stuff. So yeah,
Good job. Thank you.
thank you.
I have one question. This is Sabrine here. Good job, Michelle. I think in the beginning you mentioned something about exploring AI. Did you get to learn anything AI related, or did you get to use any tools?
Yeah, we used a lot of ChatGPT, and I think that like helped us like create our questions. And I also use ChatGPT to like I asked ChatGPT like what how does like a good astronomy trivia quiz screen look like, and then ChatGPT like showed me a bunch of like pictures of the quiz screens, and then like I like compromised with the chat like the app thingy, and then we just made the screen like that in the questions. Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank you.